Now, I've just dropped my car off to have the wheels aligned because, you know, it's winter. You want to make sure you actually are not dying on the roads. Thought I might as well take some photos. Let's see what happens. Now, on my travels for getting my wheel alignment done, I'm in Wellingborough in Northamptonshire. Now, we've got a bit of water, but it's really deep, and you can't really see it very well. It's hard to get a composition with that water, which is the reason why I walked down here, was to try and get something with water. I don't think I'm going to get that. My next thought was trees and wildlife. Now the trees, there's not really a great composition down here, but I've seen that if I walk this way, there might be more trees. So that's what I'm going to do, and if I get there and it's rubbish, hey, I'll just try and make do. Man, I couldn't be jogging at this time. It's absolutely freezing. But maybe that's the best time, because, you know, let's be honest, if you're hot, you want to be cooled down. Oh man, here is a sight to behold. A frozen lake. Ah. Now let's hope I can think of something to take pictures of. If not, well, we'll see what I can grab in terms of wildlife, perhaps. Oh, glad I came out now. How is it -4 and that bright? The mind boggles. Anyway, I might actually do a full video on why the 70-200 is my favourite landscape lens. But it's because I prefer detail to like the bigger picture. I think that's just me in general. Like, don't show me like just this big picture that I don't know what to focus on. I like to really like hone in on that is the thing that I should be looking at. And sometimes that's really obvious in a big landscape, but I think in Britain, a lot of things are very busy. So therefore, one of these things allows you to pick things out. Right, let's try and get that thing.